Okay, so quickly go run and bring that thing and get ready. Okay, on your camera after you're ready with the thing. Okay, you can on your camera when you're ready with that thing. Quickly bring one heavy thing and one very light thing which you can hold very easily. Okay, so let me also bring one thing and you also go run and bring that thing. Okay, quickly. Okay, so how many of you are ready? Okay, we'll start with Shanmukh first. Yes, Shanmukh, which thing do you have?
Light.
Dim.
Light.
Light.
Wow, light. Okay.
Heavy.
Heavy. Very good. Nice, Shanmukh. This is a weight, I guess, right? Which we will lift.
Yeah, weight.
Okay, wait. Okay, nice. Good, Shanmukh. Next will be Manasvi. Yes, Manasvi, your turn. Okay, what do you have, Manasvi? Jenga. Okay, a big heavy box and light thing. Which light thing do you have? Okay, you have a block. Okay, that's a cube. Okay, nice. Next will be very nice, Manasvi. Okay, so now it's Daivansh turn. Daivansh, your turn now. Heavy and light.
Heavy. It's so heavy, right? Big. And this is light. Big.
Very good. Nice, Daivansh. Yeah, good. Okay, next will be Mariam. Yes, Mariam, your turn. Mariam, what do you have? One light thing, one heavy thing.
Light. Heavy दिखाओ.
Okay. Yeah, this is heavy. Very nice. Good, Mariam. Okay. So next will be Jishnu. Yes, Jishnu.
Light.
Very good. This is light, and your water bottle is very heavy.
Yeah.
Very good. Nice, Jishnu. Okay, Admit, your turn.
Advin, sorry. Advin, this is light. Tell Advin, this is
Very
light.
good, Admit. Light. Very good. Yeah. One light box and one heavy box, which is full of. Yeah, very nice. Very good. Good, Advin. Very nice. Yeah, so you have two boxes. One is very light, which is easy to hold, and one is very heavy. Okay. Advin, your turn. Next will be Advin. Yes, Advin. Advin is there.
This is heavy. Heavy.
Heavy and light.
Yes. Very good. Okay, you have a big. Okay, what do you have, Advin? What is in your hand? Can you tell me your toys?
Yes.
One big teddy bear and one small panda, right?
Right.
Okay, good boy. Very good. Okay, next will be Manasvi. I think Manasvi's turn is not over, right? Manasvi, your turn. Yes, Manasvi, please show me. Okay, next will be Demo N. I can see your name. Demo N is written. So it's your turn. What's your name? Is this Hriday or someone else?
Sakshi, he's Hriday.
Okay, Hriday. Yeah. Hriday, yes, you can start. Do you have something? One heavy object. One...
Can you show your heavy and light thing?
Heavy not.
You tell to Sakshi teacher. Sakshi teacher is asking you.
You are a good boy.
Use your Lift it and tell to teacher it's very heavy. Hriday, can you lift it and tell to teacher it's heavy? Open करके नहीं बताना. You have to just hold it and show to teacher. Show to teacher. This is light.
Okay, no issues. I can see. Rite has a heavy box. Yeah, very nice. Good, Rite. Wonderful. Yeah, heavy and light. Okay, so look here, children. I have this small teddy bear. Okay, I have this small bear. Okay, so it is very light. You can see, I can hold it very easily. It is very light. Okay, I have this small bear. It is very light. Look here, I can hold it very easily. Okay, I can turn it. Okay, yeah, I can move it here and there because it is very light. Okay, so now I have this bottle in my hand and it is full of water and it is so heavy. I can't move it here and there, otherwise it will break. Okay, so I have this bottle. It is very heavy. I have to hold it tightly also. I can hold it lightly, otherwise it will fall and it will break down. So this is very heavy and this is very light. Okay, I have this chocolate. Look here, I have this chocolate. So this chocolate is very light. It is very light. I can hold it the way I want. Okay, so I have this chocolate. Yeah, I can hold it the way I want. Okay, it is very light. Okay, it will not break. But if you hold something which is very heavy, so when it will fall down, it can break also. So heavy things, we need to hold it tightly and properly. Okay, and light things, we can hold it the way we want. Okay, we can hold it, yeah, like this. Okay, so this is heavy and this is light. So light is, yeah, whose weight is not there. Okay, yeah, which has very less weight, and this is very heavy. It has more weight. Okay, and lots of energy we need to lift heavy object. Okay, we need lots and lots of energy to hold a heavy object. Okay, या अगर कोई चीज भारी होगी तो उसको उठाएंगे तो हमें बहुत एनर्जी चाहिए. बट इफ समथिंग इज वेरी लाइट, अगर कोई चीज बहुत ही लाइट है, so we can hold it like, okay, we don't need energy for that. But if you need to lift a heavy object, we need lots of energy and you should be strong to hold that thing. Okay, so this is heavy and this is light. Okay, so this is heavy and this is light. Okay, children, so all of you got the concept, heavy and light?
First, what we saw, we learnt about myself, then we learnt about my body, then we learnt about my pet, and now we are learning about my house. Okay, so house is the place where we live. Okay, kids, house is the place where we live. Okay, so there are different kinds of houses are made. Okay, there are different kinds of houses. Why the kids are okay? Janvi, you can sit. Okay, so we have different houses. Okay, we have different houses. They are like tree house. Okay, a tree house is built on tree branches. Okay, that is called tree house. And we have a igloo. Igloo is made out of ice cubes. It's a house which is made out of ice cubes. A big ice cubes. Okay. And we have hut. The hut is made out of mud and straws. You can get to see hut if you're visiting a village. Okay, so houses are the place where we live, where we can take rest, where we can eat our food, and house gives us shelter. Okay, and when we are in the house, we are protected from raining. Okay, from the heavy rain. Okay, very good, Daivansh. Daivansh got his Dangler. Daivansh, Advait, Manasri. Okay, very nice. So you all can see. Okay. theme for this week. Okay. So when we are inside the house, we will not have to frighten or scare about heavy rains and sun, a very hot sun, storm. Okay, we are safe when we are inside the house. Okay, so my house is the theme for this week. So tomorrow we'll see more about it, and before that, we will learn a rhyme. Okay, let's learn the rhyme. Very small and very easy one. Okay, first I will say the rhyme, and I request all the children to look at me. Okay, then you will get an idea. Okay, Mariam, you can keep your slate aside now. Okay, so all of you see here, children. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 2 little houses closed up tight. Let's open the window and let in some light. Okay, let's do it one more time. 2 little houses closed up tight. Let's open the window and let in some light. Jishnu, kindly go and wash your hand and come. Go. Don't do that. Please go wash your hand and come. No. Go. You shouldn't do that. We have used the chalk, right? So please go and wash your hand and come like a good boy. Good boy. Let's do it one more time. Okay, here we go. 2 little houses closed up tight. Let's open the window and let in some light. Okay, let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, start. 2 little houses closed up tight. Let's open the window and let in some light. Very nice. Very good, Janvi, Manasvi, Edwin, Daivansh. Very good. Mariam, I am unable to see you. Okay, please do come. Very nice, Jishnu. You should not do that. Okay? Let's do one more time rhyme. All of us together. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 2 little houses closed up tight. Let's open the window and let in some light. Very nice, Daivansh. Very good. Come on, let's do it one more time. 2 little houses closed up tight. Let's open the window and let in some light. Very good. Come on, let's do it one more time, Mariam. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, start. 2 little houses closed up tight. Let's open the window and let in some light. Very good. So I'll post the video of the rhyme so you can practice it more. And now let's do our lacing board activity. Okay. So we did last time the fish lacing board, right? Right, kids? So you have 2 lacing boards, right? One with the fish, one with teddy bear. So today we'll be doing teddy bear lacing board. Come on, let's do it. So you must. All of you got it, right? Kids who all got the books, you will have this. So I can see Manasvi having, okay. Only Manasvi received? Very good. Jishnu even having? Okay. Come on, let's start lacing it, okay? Okay, Manasri started doing. I request parents. Okay, nice. Hriday, you got it right. Let's do the lacing activity. Okay. Very good. Teddy bear, right? Come on, let's do. Janvi, Edwin. If you all receive your books, so you will have these children. See, I am doing it now. See? See here. I will show you all. See, this is how you have to stick the paper. Okay, the color paper. See, everybody please do have a look. Okay. Yeah, put some Fevicol on it. And then you all can stick up. I want this activity to be done only by kids. Parents, maybe you can help them to apply the Fevicol. So let the children take the paper and stick it. Make small pieces, okay kids? Make small pieces and stick it on the picture. Okay, I can see the Ivansh, Jishnu started already. Very good. Even Advait started. Manasvi, Hriday, Edwin, Shanmukh, Mariam. Come on, let's do it. You can stick the way you want it, children. Okay, however you want to stick up, you can just stick up. Okay. Fevicol, of course, mommy or daddy will help you to put. Okay. But the sticking activity has to be done by you all. Tearing and sticking. Jishnu is trying to help himself even with Fevicol. Very good. You can use more than 2 to 3 colors of papers. See, my picture is ready. Okay. Very good. Daivansh, you're not doing? Oh, he's doing. Okay, very good, very good. Janvi, it's very dull, baby. I can see the house. Okay, good. Very nice. Okay, once if you all finish your creative activity of everyone's, and I request parents while the kid is doing this activity also take a picture and post it in the group. Once we finish with our creative activity, then we will once recap of our pre-number concept of big and small, okay, tall and short, We will recap one more time. Once we are done with the creative activity. Very nice, children. Mariam, what about you? Wow. Beautiful. Oh, you still need to complete more? Okay, okay. Continue. I'm seeing for the first time the other color is coming on your paper before yellow. Jishnu and Advait all mostly with the blue. Jishnu, Advait and Daivansh. You three go. See, I said always blue and red. Very good, Jishnu. Mostly you and Daivansh, you both will mostly go with the blue only. Very good. I'm waiting to see. Okay, I can see Daivansh is using blue and yellow color. Okay. Very good. What about Jan? Okay, Janvi is done. Edwin. Edwin, if you have any doubt, please do ask me. Oh, he is using the Fevicol. Okay, very good. Manasvi, what about you? You done with your worksheet? Okay, Jishnu completed. Very good. Jishnu completed. Only Jishnu Jishnu, you are the first one to complete the activity. Very good. Shanmukh, Hriday.
Only that we.
All of you are very busy looking. I'm so happy. Wow, Advait, it's so good. Very nice. Very good, Daivansh. Nice. Very nice, very nice.
Bye.
I'm waiting for the children to finish. Okay, Advait is done. Jishnu is done. Daivansh is done. And Hriday, Manasvi, Edwin, Mariam. Okay. Manasvi, very good. Manasvi, you have taken small. Wow. So nice. Did you use paint or are there paper pieces? Manasvi? Are you all done, kids?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay, Jishnu. Okay, I am saying Jishnu completed. Very nice. Daivansh also did. Manasvi, Edwin, may I see your worksheet, please? I can see only little bit, not completely. Okay, Manasvi. Wow, very nice. And now I can see Edwin paper. He is using red color. So before you all could finish the activity, I have a request to all the parents. On Friday, it's July 2nd. If I'm not wrong, right? Yeah. So on Friday, it's July 2nd. I request the kids to have a pot, bud, and any seeds. It can be the methi seeds, or it can be the green color moong dal, which is the whole. Any seeds, please do keep ready. A pot with mud. If any of these material pot, if the pot is not available, please don't worry. You can take a disposable glass, the plastic one which we get. Just use and throw. You can get that plastic glass, one plastic glass, and few seeds, little bit of mud. So kids will learn how to plant the sapling and the seeds. It's needed for the Friday. So please do remember, on Friday you need a pot with mud and any of the seeds that are available in your house. It can be a green color moong dal or a methi seeds, dhania seeds, whatever you have. You can just keep them 1 spoon or whatever it is, a little bit of quantity. So this is required for Friday. Please do remember the material and kindly keep them ready for the Friday, July 2nd. Okay, Janvi is completed. Right, very nice.
Thank you.
Ma'am.
Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So Janvi, don't forget to post the videos in the group. You can take mommy's help. Okay. Mariam, did you complete your activity?
Wants to color, ma'am. She doesn't want to paste it.
Oh, because you have chosen very small pieces. That's why I showed my picture so that you all will use the big paper pieces.
How jaldi aao.
Okay, Mariam, you can do it Today we'll do this only, okay? And next time we'll do coloring. Every day we have to learn something new, right? It's fun learning every day different things, right? Okay. So parents, please do remember to keep the Friday material ready on Friday, right? For the activity. And today we did collage work, children. So what you all did, the activity is called collage work, okay? Tearing and pasting color pieces. This is collage work. And our theme for this week is my house, right? And what we did lacing board activity. And else what we did hopping, right? And also we did heavy and light concept, right? Sakshi teacher told us light and heavy concept, 3-member concept. And also we finished learning a rhyme. We finished listening the rhyme for first time of Two Little Houses. So please do practice the rhyme and continue to practice the lacing board activity, okay? Do not forget to post the pictures in the group, parents. So my house is the theme for this week. I will see you all again tomorrow, kids. Till then, continue to wash your hands right after the session. Okay? Don't forget to wash your hands. Okay? And the homework is, all of you parents will have numbers A1 to 20. So in this, At the last, you will have comparison, which are called big and small. So today the kids will revise as a homework big and small page. I will post the pictures in the homework list. So please do let the kids finish the homework. Okay? Come on now, let's say bye to each other. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye Jishnu. Bye Edwin.